Nylon cable ties, 4 inches, white color, by Pixel Shop. Agenda: we are going to talk about material, color, dimensions, number of ties, applications and where to get. Materials: all cable ties are made of nylon material. Color: currently, we have cable ties in white color only. Dimensions: the length of a cable tie is 96 mm, which is approximately 4 inches, while its width is 2 mm. Number of ties: each packet contains 50 cable ties. Applications: these cable ties are great for routing, bundling, securing of cables, pipes and hoses etc. Also best for tying pixel LED lights. Where to get? Please visit the following: https://bit.ly/4-inch cable ties. Contact us. Email us at pixelshop126@gmail.com. Visit our shop, https://bit.ly/pixelshop. Subscribe our YouTube channel, https://bit.ly/pixelshop YouTube.